Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Black Daffodil Seed in Heartopia Colorfuls event. Okay, let's get into it guys. The daffodil is one of the plants from the Colorfuls event in Heartopia. And if you want to get the seed, you need to go to Blang. He's at the Wellfall Canyon. Then you will be able to purchase the red, white, and also yellow daffodil seeds. Once you purchase these seeds, go to your garden and try to plant them like this to trigger the crossbreeding process. And from the crossbreeding process, you will get new color, which are orange and also pink. And if you have already gotten the pink and orange, you can try to plant them in separate plot or in different plot like this to trigger more colors. And from the pink and orange, when you combine them, you will have chance to get the black daffodil seed. As you can see, I've just got the black daffodil seed from the crossbreeding. And to trigger the crossbreeding, just keep watering your plants and wait for 24 hours. And you can also ask your friend to water your plants to have more possibility to get successful crossbreeding process. And you can also use the rainbow breeding powder to guarantee the crossbreeding process. This one guarantees a successful hybrid when used on crossbreedable plants. Yeah, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Black Daffodil Seed in Heartopia Colorfuls event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!